How to screen record Netflix without black screen? So whenever you try to record Netflix, usually there's a black screen. Now how you can fix this up? So there are several methods to do it. For example, let me just minimize the screen here for now, right? And then I will show you how you can do so. So let's say this is anyway here. Now I can use this part which is called OBS. So as you can see here on this screen in the OBS, Netflix is available, right? So for example, let's just put it here. Now you can see here Netflix is here. So you can use OBS to record this stuff. And there are several different methods too. For example, if you try to do in Discord, usually you will get a black screen. So don't try Discord here. And there's a other video recording tool too, which is called vMake Chrome extension. If you use Netflix on Chrome or any of the browsers, so you have to just go to the Chrome Web Store, click on Chrome Web Store here, and here there's another option which is called, let me show you, vMaker free screen recorder. So this is a screen recorder and you can use it to record the screen of Netflix. And this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video.